Hey guys, welcome back to Healthy Body. My name is Maria House, and in today's episode, I want to teach you how to make coconut butter. Coconut butter is a really good alternative to standard nut butters. It's also great to use in anything you love creamy. It's delicious in your baked goods, and it's absolutely amazing in Healthy Body boost balls. And I'm going to show you one particular recipe this afternoon. So with that said, let's jump into the kitchen. Let me teach you how to make coconut butter so you can save your dollars. First, we'll begin with 12 to 16 ounces of unsweetened flaked coconut. If you can't find flaked coconut, desiccated coconut is equally as great, if not better. But I have unsweetened flaked, and I'm going to show you how to use that. So let's pop that flaked coconut into our Vitamix blender. If you don't have a Vitamix blender, any high-speed powered blender is amazing, or a food processor. Let's get started. We're going to blend on low to begin with, and then as it does its job, we're going to slowly increase the speed. And as the speed increases, you're going to have to stop maybe every 60 seconds to just mix around that coconut, make sure everything gets processed evenly. Now, I also like to taste test our coconut butter, and it will occasionally need some extra stevia extract and some pink Himalayan salt. And it tasted amazing after I added those additions. If it's not the thickness you like, keep going. And here's a tip: if your coconut's extra dry and gritty, add some coconut oil and it will just make it extra smooth. There you have it, some homemade coconut butter. Congratulations. Now here is the fun part. I am going to teach you how to use your new coconut butter. And one of my favorite ways, other than coconut butter and toast, if you haven't tried it, please try it, it's amazing, is Healthy Body boost balls. These are super healthy, super easy to make, and really help with those chocolate cravings. So here we go. We're going to start with just a plain clear bowl, and we're going to mix all of the dry ingredients. We're going to start with half a cup almond meal, half a cup of vegan protein powder. If you don't have protein powder, simply replace it with some coconut flour or some oatmeal. We're going to add quarter cup of organic cacao powder, quarter cup of a monk fruit and erythritol blend. This is my sweetener of choosing. You can use whatever sweetener you prefer. And we're going to combine this really well. Let's mix all the dry ingredients together super well. Let's make it well and add our wet ingredients. We'll start with half a cup of our homemade coconut butter. Yum. We're going to add a 1/3 of some mashed white beans. An alternative to white beans, if they don't agree with you, is some sweet potato or banana or even dates. But sweet potato is one of my favorites. I just didn't prep it in time, so we have white beans. Then we'll add some vanilla essence, just a teaspoon of unsweetened vanilla essence. We're going to combine well, and you're going to have to get your hands inside here to really mix it. You might need to add an extra 2 tablespoons of water like I did because the mixture was a little dry. There you have it. Some really quick Healthy Body boost balls with chocolate. Yummy. Have I mentioned they're also freezer friendly, so you can just pop them in a glass container, freezer safe, put in your freezer, and they last up to 3 weeks if they last that long. Enjoy. Hey guys, there you have it. You've learnt today how to make coconut butter from home and save your dollars, and you've learnt how to make some really delicious Healthy Body chocolate boost balls, completely sugar-free and totally healthy. If you liked this video and you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can come on the journey with me, learning all about health, happiness, and wellness. Until next time, have a great day. Bye.